Welcome to Sheik Island Farm, an exquisite and approximate 267-acre premier equine estate here in the rolling hills of Dade City, Florida. Originally established in 1997, this farm has been meticulously maintained. The barns on the property were masterfully designed by the renowned Blackburn architects. This farm truly does blend function, safety, and beauty. Let's check it out. Every inch of Sheik Island Farm was thoughtfully created with the well-being of both horse and rider in mind. From the rounded stall corners and ventilated barns to hurricane-reinforced gates, the large barn spans nearly 16,000 square feet. Inside, you'll find 16 spacious stalls, including an oversized foaling stall with a viewing window, plus 3 executive offices, 2 multi-room apartments, laundry facilities, and dedicated storage. Safety and efficiency are top priorities, with commercial-grade fire, security, and 24-hour video monitoring systems throughout. The smaller barn is purpose-built. 8 stalls, its own paddocks, an office with a half bath, and even a studio apartment. It's fully equipped and just as well protected. The historic manager's house, originally built in 1945, offers over 1,500 square feet of comfortable living space with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. It's ideal for on-site staff or guests. Sheik Island Farm's location couldn't be more ideal. Just minutes from Interstate 75, offering quick access to Tampa and world-class competition venues in Ocala. Sheik Island Farm is a rare opportunity for serious equestrians. A fully equipped, impeccably maintained facility designed to meet the demands of both professional training and breeding, as well as competition. I'm Shea Booster with Saunders Real Estate, and we sure would love to give you a private tour of this remarkable farm. So give us a call. And until then, so long from Sheik Island.